What's going on, guys? Today we have some really important news. The SEC is actually giving us the option to vote whether Bitcoin will be in an ETF or not. And this is very, very important to the price of Bitcoin, of course. Now, before I go ahead, let's find out what an ETF is. So an ETF is an exchange traded fund. Is a passive investing instrument that tracks underlying benchmark indexes, and many of them are like the Nasdaq 100 index, S&P 500, Dow and Jones, and there's many others. Commodities, bonds, or portfolios of assets and replicates their performances. ETFs can be traded like a common stock on the exchange, combining the diversified holdings of a fund with the low cost and trading ability of a share. So basically, in layman's term, what this will do is allow Wall Street to buy Bitcoin itself, physical Bitcoin, and Wall Street being able to go into the crypto market. That's going to bring millions and billions and trillions of dollars into this market and increasing Bitcoin's value dramatically. So now let's go back to exactly how do we vote for this. So right here, every government authority is mandated to hear the opinion of its citizens on any and all matters that will affect the country. This is usually done through representation in Parliament or the Senate or Congress. There is also the opinion of getting the opinion directly from the people. The United States SEC, which is the Securities and Exchange Commission, has just done that, and with regards to the recent filing by the CBOE requesting the Bitcoin ETFs be regarded as securities by the regulatory body. Right now, there are little over 20 comments on the website since the authority opened the section for the comments with regarding to the filing. As a member of the crypto community, Ethereum World News saw it fit to inform crypto enthusiasts and traders that they can play a part in determining the future of the crypto market. So you guys have a key role in actually being a part of whether Bitcoin will be massively adopted around the world and the price will increase or not. Because on the website there's only 20 comments, and I'm sure there's a lot more than 20 investors that are in the crypto market. A vast majority of the crypto traders believe that the Bitcoin ETFs will be a gateway for the high net individuals and institutional investors to get into crypto investing. Once the SEC classifies BTC ETFs as securities, then it is all systems go for Wall Street firms and high net individuals to buy crypto. The two categories of investors in the US have remained on the sideline of crypto investing, waiting for some regulatory direction from the American SEC. The exchange, known as Coinbase, has anticipated this event and has recently launched a storage service for digital assets for the said investors. This service has been dubbed Coinbase Custody and is ranking a new clients by day. And in order for us to start voting, it's really simple. It won't take you more than a minute. All you have to do is go right here, and I'll leave the link in the description as well. All you have to do is just copy right here. This is exactly the filing number for the ETF. So all you gotta do is just copy it, click right here on their email. It's gonna open up an email box. In the subject line, you paste the filing number, and basically you tell them whatever you want to tell them, whether you want it to be approved or not. Basically, what I'm going to tell them is very simple. Please approve the Bitcoin ETF. And all you have to do is just send. And it's as simple as that. I just voted. You can do the same. It literally took me less than 30 seconds. And in order for you to find out also, what other people are saying, I found it very interesting. Just click right here on online form and then go to proposed rules. Now right here in the search bar, paste in the same filing number, click go. So, and then these are all the comments that people have already posted. Like you can see right here, this guy said, I suggest action be taken to start approving ETFs versus inaction, which appears to be more damaging to investors. So this guy, of course, wants it. He's ready to go. Please approve Bitcoin. Another person that wants to approve it. This is the biggest mistake since the creation of synthetic CDOs. This guy's a hater. That's all I have to say. Because this guy can't really see the vision of Bitcoin and how it'll change the world and how it can actually stop all those banks that are evil entities around the world that charge outrageous prices. Even if you're donating, let's say, $1 to any fund that you want, like literally 30 cents of that dollar that you're paying gets taken because of bank fees. So anything that you're, if you're making a donation or anything like that, just always remember you're only donating 70%. Like only 70% of it is actually going to the donation. And let's take a look at this guy. List Bitcoin ETF on a regulated exchange. So this guy definitely wants it on a regulated exchange. As to it being on Coinbase or any other, regular company. Stop messing around and just have a respected company like Coinbase approve or reject this. You guys have terrible judgment. So this guy likes Coinbase, but he doesn't like the SEC. I honestly don't think that, Coinbase should have that much power, in something that will be, life-changing and, affecting the worldwide. I support a Bitcoin CBOE ETF. I'm been wanting to invest in Bitcoin. However, there are technological barriers to entry, and an ETF would allow me to invest more readily. Thank you. So this guy actually could be a whale, meaning that he might actually have big amount of money where he can, in investing it in Bitcoin will actually make a big difference in the market. And most of these people that actually, that are investors that have, big amounts of money, we're talking about, hundreds of millions of dollars, they don't really have the time to actually learn how to buy Bitcoin and anything. They just want to be able to tell somebody to buy it for this price and sell it for this price, and that's it. Because they're not only, working or thinking just about Bitcoin, they're doing multiple things. But if they choose Bitcoin as a major investment, which, this SEC approval, it'll change the whole market completely. So again, I've already showed you how to vote. It'll really take less than, 30 seconds of your time. I really hope you do it because this will be life-changing. Alright, have a great one, and please, if you like the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you can always be notified of any new videos that I post.